How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we are checking out an absolute gorgeous 68 Impala Convertible, done in cranberry red, white top, white interior. This car had a complete frame off restoration about 10 years back. Looks like it was just done. The paint on this car is show quality. The grill, the bumpers, everything like brand new. Car's really straight down the sides. All the trim on this car is just gorgeous. Got the factory rally wheels. Top's about 2 years old. Got the glass rear window. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. It's got the rear mount antenna. See how straight that car is down the sides. This is a numbers matching 396 4-speed car. Very rare. 3 1/4 horse, 396, factory 4-barrel. It's got power steering. It's power disc brakes up front. Very nice car. It's got all stainless exhaust. See, all the door jambs and everything are very nice. Got all new interior in it when they restored it. The original dash. It's got the factory tack engage package, very rare. Got the deluxe wood wheel. And again, it's an original 4-speed. Got 12-bolt rear. This is what they call the parchment interior. It's kind of a pearl white. Absolutely gorgeous. All the paintwork on the car is very nice. Jack spare, it's got a matching spare, it's got all BF Goodrich radial red lines on it. You see it's got the matching parade boot. Beautiful car. Gentleman I got this car from lives not too far from me. He enjoyed it for about 8 years, going to shows. Now he's gonna do something different. Key buzzer works. Thing fires right up. Got power top. Top works like it should. So it's just a super cool car. Very rare big block 4-speed convertible, red and white. Ain't nothing sexier than that. Backup lights all work. Hit the parking lights. Super nice car there, guys. You can get in this car, drive anywhere you want to go. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.